Every NetSuite instance comes with embedded guided learning services, short tutorials on how the features and functions you use most work. But what if you'd like to go further and customize the learning modules for your unique needs? That's where NetSuite Guided Learning Managed Service comes in. This new managed service builds on guided learning by customizing the experience to match your exact business processes. You'll work with a dedicated guided learning consultant who gets to know your business, your processes, and your goals. Together, you'll build custom guides, smart tips, and targeted messages, so your people always know exactly what to do step by step. And as your business evolves, so can your customized guided learning modules. Your managed service includes an annual allotment of custom guides and updates, so when things change, you can keep your learning and support fresh. Need more? You can always add additional guide packs. Guided Learning Managed Service helps you drive change, support your people, and scale faster, accelerating your return on NetSuite. With Guided Learning Managed Service, you'll give your people the means to learn on their terms, maximizing feature adoption and getting the results you want from NetSuite.